In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a poll in Discord using reactions. Firstly, all you have to do is launch the Discord app or web version and log in to your Discord account. Choose the server from the list where you want to create the poll. You can choose any server. Next, click on the plus next to the text channels. Name it, for example, poll, and click on Create Channel. From the existing channel, select the channel where you want the poll to be in. Now, you have to create poll question. Type your question in the message box. For example, what's your favorite pizza topping? Now, add a reaction option. Post the message with options as emojis. For example, pepperoni for pizza, mushrooms. Add corresponding emoji reactions to the message. And encourage users to click on the emoji reactions to vote. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.